All who love Labas, one love. All who can keep them on a company.
Jump up, jump up, jump.
When me in there, and me say the place never full, let me start fret. Come I say blood clot. If this not full enough, them a go drag me all over the place, you know. I no Beenie Man them.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah man, in this episode we have a couple videos we go through. We have Spice and shell down the whole of London, crazy entrance people. We also have Masicka Whites and tear down the football match one night time. Problem, we also have highlights from Chronicle performance, a best of the best in Miami people. Yeah man, we have take a look at that. We have Kitch as well, I try Chopa Fatty. Yo, look at him, cool about it. Yo, Jado star, I take a look at that. Also we have Foota Hype, give him review on the Beenie Man show at the UBS Arena. We're gonna take a look at that and hear what the G officer about the show, you see me? Yeah man, but before we do that, I kick it off with Bleggy. Go through me.
Hey, get to you, let me tell you this man. You may have got through a stage in your life right now where you feel like you want to give up. Don't it? But don't give up. You may have got through a stage in your life right now where you feel like you want mad. But all you have to do, I just turn to God. I God alone can help you right now, youth. And all it take, a faith, prayer, and no say it gonna happen. Life now gonna always be smooth, youth. You gonna have hurdles along the way where you have to go jump. You gonna have scratch and bruises along the way. I just you not to give up. There is no man in this world will live a smooth life. I just show people not telling you them problem more while. Where them got through to be where they at in life, youth. You hear me tell you? All you have to do, I just have faith, youth, and pray, and know it gonna happen. And remember me tell you, changes are gonna come.
Yeah, people are Spice entrance that in London, you know. Yeah, man, crazy entrance. You don't know Spice, queen of dancer, queen of stage. Yeah, man, very entertaining. When Spice perform, you can't move. Your eye them have lock on the stage, you know, people. I saw me, I tell them, I see Spice live already, you know. And I'm not normal, you know, people. Yeah, man, when you watch Spice perform, you have to look keenness. Yeah, man, by everything, your eye can't miss nothing. Yeah, man, me nah like the entrance is sick, man. Me nah like she go overboard. 10 out of 10, me nah like she deserve it. Yo, the only other entrance me can compare with these people are the one with Cartel in a Barclays. Yeah, man, the entrance me that's yo, probably the on the said level. You see me? Yeah, man, no joke. Love the entrance she come out with, and how her demeanor when she dep on the bike and she a DJ the lyrics. Yo, it does sick people. Me nah like. Yeah, man, now we're gonna check out some highlights of Chronicle performance over there. Best of the best. Check it out, peeps.
What's the time? Is it time to leave the stage, people? Give me one more, man. Inside, man. Hold on to me. All who love Labas, one love. All who can keep them on a company. We don't need phone, we don't need internet. We don't need friend. We don't need nothing. Watch out, man. Sure. Hey, sing So, me say rather them on the hillside when nobody know them. Hey, Miami, rather them on the hillside. Now there are people where we hurt you. It's serious. Rather them on the hillside. Hillside of the vibes that knows them heart clean. Rather on the hillside when nobody know them.
Always there.
Talk to me about the career, man. You've been doing so good. Of course, one of the names that you have to speak about in dancehall right now. Now you're on the big people stage, them delivering forwards after forwards, great energy. Talk to me about the experience.
Yo, it's a lovely experience. The journey, me love the journey, bro. Cause each obstacles make us stronger. You know them way. So me now have nothing to complain about the journey. Me love it.
You love the journey?
Yeah, I learn every day. We still not conquer everything else.
You've made some powerful songs.
Yeah.
Right? What's inspiring the lyrics behind the songs these days?
Just life journey.
Just
life experience, yeah. Cause I wouldn't really make up nothing. Everything a real thing. Yes, I just life journey, life experience.
You're opening the doors for many artists to come after you, and you're pushing the door open very powerfully. Talk to me about that. Are you surprised that
Always there.
Talk to me about
Yeah,
the
people,
career,
so Allah boss at himself, you know. Good performance at from the G. Yeah, man, good look. Hillside him, it sang about the place. Best of the best is a very good look that for the G. You don't know him and get that international exposure there. Cause him already zero the ground basically. You see me? Yeah, man, crazy amount of tune on the ground already. So at time now if him get that international look in there. Yeah, man, rate the move. So now we are check out Masicka song White, a boss national team. Yeah, man.
Let me teach you about Jamaica, say when we come from football, yeah?
Alright, family, so that a Masicka it sang Whites, a boss the crowd said way. You can't believe that after so many months a song they released, it a tear down the place said way like it just released yesterday. Yeah man, a big song man, it sang, you can't go around it. Yeah man, it shell the place, you can't see it, you see me? Just look on the reaction, you know? Be forward it a get in the place, people. Yeah man, is a good look. Him new song Mute, it a go on still, you know, it a bubbling on the street, but it not reach a level there as a White as yet. It so reach up the man, but just give it some time. We are gonna go and watch it and see how it go on, you see me? Yeah man, so now we are gonna check out Kitch on stage with a fatty. Yeah man, him a throw up a heavyweight. Go check it out.
Jump up, jump up, jump.
Alright family, so I keep on that thing, Kitch himself decides to take on the challenge, but look like halfway during the challenge he need them give way like a too much weight for the G1 at time, but big up to him said we have to take on the challenge, you know. Yeah man, entertainment man, a good look. Now we're gonna segue over to Foota Hype and give him review on the Beenie Man show there. Yeah man, we'll take a look and hear what the G has said.
Now, me telling you all the time, say, greatness can't hide. You understand? When you're great, you're great. It no matter who not like you, it no matter who like you, it no matter who fight you, it no matter who not fight you. So you want you're great, and you stay persistent, and you stay predominant, and you continue to do what you are doing, and stay in your lane and do what you are doing, it shall prevail. Now, first things first, I have to big up Father God. Then secondly, I have to big up Sigga Promotion. People, Sigga is the manager for Beenie Man. Beenie Man manager is Sigga Promotion. Sigga Entertainment, Sigga Production. And him responds to make sure Foota get paid and Foota business start up. Zine, I have to big up Moses Davis, Beenie Man, aka Dean. Zine, cause I feel him show. You understand? I feel him sitting. So, we have to big up Beenie Man, returning to the United States of America after 13 years. Then, I have to big up me, Zine. I have to big up Foota Hype, O'Neal Thomas, Doreen's son, Scorpion boy. I have to big up myself. I'm 100% proud of myself. And I 100% love my work ethic. Zine, I 100% love when I know, and I stick to what I know, and I push forward to what I know, and the results come. Me not listen to people when them attack. Zine, me know say, me know if it hold my own, and me know what need to be done. People discredit what them don't understand. Anyway, fast forward, the pickup from the airport was good. Coming to talk about what my experience. The pickup from the airport was good. Nice Range Rover pickup Foota Hype at the airport. My virgin DJ Wave from Cinemax to the airport too. The hotel was proper, Marriott. Everybody know Marriott, a top tier hotel. You know, the accommodations, it was great. Me never see Beenie Man for a minute. I see Beenie Man, the vibes is right. Everybody had joy, laughter, happiness, you know. Big up Tristan Palmer, I see him, all our vibes. Big up Louis Culture, you see me, all our vibes. Big up Blade from Code Reg. Big up Star, the selector, his name Star. You know, big up Atta Claps. The whole team, it was just a fun, joy, vibe. Me see Drummy them from Rough Cut. Me see staff, everybody just the energy in the air was good. You understand what I say? So we never have no bad vibe. My landing in the day of the show, calm Virgin Wave, me and Wave cup on the road, grab two. We have Junior Demos, have MJ as the kid. I'm going to boom and call Ayactane now. Come here telling you everything. Call Ayactane. I must say, one day if you're the back, I must say, I must call you. How it's stay? And him say, yeah man, I got to deal with me, I got Jamaica, and come up at the same day. And things, so it's good. So I have it say, alright, Junior Demos, Ayactane, and MJ, you know? On the last day now, at the show, I run up and I buy clothes. And I get myself together and I say, hold on there. Mr. Easy, I'm a G. Boom and call Mr. Easy. When I call him a fly in and him a say, him have rehearsal but him a go forward. People, may I get to the part now where mash up enough things in the show. The show after done 11 o'clock sharp. Big up Shane, you know. Big up Shane, you know. The show I done 11 o'clock sharp. When Mr. Easy, she say him have to go rehearsal and thing, him call me back. And him say, Foota, me nah gonna make it. If I 11 o'clock, me nah gonna make it. Cause me can still there rehearsal certain time and rare. So me have to scrap Mr. Easy out of the program. Acting, they are Jamaica, him buy a flight to forward up. The flight I left Jamaica 8:30 or 8:40. I say acting at Naga record by the time you reach the show done. Because by the time traffic and you have to forward through 3 different tiers, security and everything for reaching credentials and all that. Naga record. I have scrap acting out of my program where I have Zine. Listen to this, you know, people. To all ticket I run, ration, and the problem I go on with the show in terms of ticket. Me supposed to get 15 to 20 tickets. Because remember, me I carry MJ. MJ travel with his mother and his father. Zine that are 3 of them. Me I carry Junior Demos. Me don't know who Junior Demos I travel with. Zine, me have to carry my selector where I mix for me. Me have to carry Johnny British, the video personnel. Me have to carry, me need me for myself alone. Need about 10 or 12 tickets for myself. People, a 7 ticket alone me end up get. So me get MJ one, give him father one, Give him old lady one. 3 that guy I'm gonna left me with 4. Give me selector one. See? 1 for me. How much that left? 1. And Junior D must forward with him bridging. And me can't get a next ticket. Me have to cut left all of my friend them. Me have to cut left everybody who want to go, everybody who call me for ticket. Me can't answer them. Me not have it. Me not have it. Christopher Martin never met that bother him. Him work like say the whole place black. Cause he will beat the place now. It come like Barclays go till 2 o'clock. So people must say I feel say UBS go till 2 o'clock. But UBS go till 11 o'clock on the dot. Zine? Christopher Martin work shell along the place. Perform good call up Sugar. Sugar burn down the place, him and I do them thing. But while them I work the people, them I filing. Cause all me now, when me in there, and me say the place never full, let me start fret. Cause I say blood clot. If this not full enough, them I go drag me all over the place, you know. And no Beenie Man, them I go beat, you know. Me, them I go want beat killing. You know? Cause them want to protect the artists of Foota Hype, them I go want beat and kill. So me a fret and me say, here we go on now. After Christopher Martin. See? Them I say, me if you play now. So me say, I'm sure. Cause the place not too full out yet. So me say, I'm sure. Man say, listen man. At 8 minutes you have you and Richie Poor share the 8 minutes. I say 8 minutes. I say me have a whole friggin' set when me set up. Oh, my set can't hold in a 8 minutes to chop in a 4 minutes. So Richie Poor said, no man, make Foota Hype play. Me I'll call out Beanie. And me I do MC hosting work for Beanie. And them I say, alright, well Foota, get ready. You have a couple. And me I look for MJ, I can't find MJ. So I start cuss. Be a bad other one that way MJ, they call him just there, so. And by me look, him and him father and him mother, me say me don't know where them gone. Me start cuss, be a bad other that. So where him there, cause me don't know my spirit, I say him happy girl. So I call him and say, MJ, here I go. You're not gonna get to plug up my laptop now, nothing. You better just tell my selector which song you want. Me gonna play the first 2 songs and then I call you up. Remember, you know, I see every vlogger post, you know, and nobody now post that, you know. Say, oh, Foota give the youth a glory. Remember, me could have played and wait till my last song I call up MJ. Me play 1+1 song and call up MJ right now the prime time of my like 8 minutes. And make sure say MJ get in bus on the big show. Me not hear no vlogger. I give me props to that. Me hear them attack and them attack about MJ and them skip out. MJ never book, you know. MJ never live on the show, you know. Beenie Man don't know say MJ come there, you know. Nobody don't know say MJ come there. Me 100% decide for to do that, you know. See? So I go say now, woman, and tell MJ that go up there and start my thing. You see me? And as me play the 2 songs, I call up MJ. I make MJ bossy place. And then I play 2 Bounty Killer. Cause I play Lodge and I got aspire that for that. Cause I want to play the answer. For Junior D must walk up and bossy place. You understand me I say? So I go say boom and play Lodge. And I go say boom and play a guy aspire that for die. And I go say boom and play the rhythm. Answer rhythm and Junior D must come up and start mash up the place. If you don't watch the video carefully, 2 people now watch. One know say me have to come up on the stage and I try to take the mic from Junior Demus and him a flash me off. And me a try kind of get him forward and me a take the mic from him. See? Kemali, me not talk about have it all over TikTok. The vlogger them now say. Big up Foota for bust the youth. Although we say you're the dirty, wickedest, most corrupt man, you do something, them now do that. Them go on like I know nothing. Them talk over it light. Zine? So what you know? At time I run, when you see me, I try to take the mic from Junior Demus, you know. Cause I cut them and cut my set, you know. And I'm not even 8 minutes yet, you know. So you see when you see me make the speech, but such man, and play the song. And the song I'm going to play for 2 seconds. And then you hear the song stop. And the stage manager take me off the stage, you know. Cause the timing is crazy. You understand what I'm saying? Oh, theft, me never see theft something. Zin? So, at time, so the show run off at time, like clockwork. Alright. You don't realize that Kevin Little don't work. You don't realize that Kevin Little don't work. Power Man did that, you don't realize that Power Man don't work. Flipper Mafia did that, Flipper Mafia don't work. You know how much versatile it did, they don't work. You don't notice that all now. I'm hear everybody say, Beenie Man, this year now. I'm Beenie Man. No like when youth boss. I'm Beenie Man, this and Beenie Man that. Only ever think first in the brain. Say, oh, she know could I even dip on this show if Beenie no like youth? I Beenie no want youth strive if Beenie never want she up on the show. How upon earth Beenie she know could I go up on the show? Wanna please tell me that. Cause me see everything I go on in the media and me not pick up for Beenie Man. If Beenie Man do fuckery, me say Beenie Man do fuckery. The time was crazy and it seemed like Shano was a little bit late. So once you're late, even Louis Culture, when he might perform, them have to cut him, set him not get to sing some of my big song them. Them have to cut him. So when me hear them people who don't know nothing where you're going, it's not like them venue like Jamaica, where when you reach late and promoter beg police to give you an next hour or an next 20 and a set work, the youth tell me where the stage manager work. Say if the show go 1 second over 11 o'clock, there's a $20,000 fine additional where you have to pay. You understand what I say? So when you not get up and say Beenie are wicked and they fight you, so when you hear Beenie Man and say, people thank you for coming out, I adlib between what she and I say because if him not do it, they say him not have time to do it. Bro, from me I got a show till now, I the first me ever see a show where lock off by computer. And the computer lock off the show. You understand me I say? It's the computer lock off the show as the clock strike 11:00. All my cut. Every sound from the stage cut. Beenie them attack and attack in a dead ear. Attack through voice projector and nothing now come out. Me never see that yet and when me look for my watch at 11 o'clock. So when you get up, let me tell you about vlogger people. Most of them vlogger, yeah, them train up to speak like them know what them I say. All of them don't know shit what them I say. Cause Beenie never fight she know. I Beenie a fight she know could even dip on the show. Or they at the show. Or come up on the stage or nothing at all. You understand what I say? Power Man did that, I not even know Power Man. Cause Power Man just like one Arab, and me see him about 3 Arab youth around him. Me never know him, I swear to God. And when the show done, me know say him. Mastermind, here me never get to reach back to Florida now. Because of the time slot. The last flight out of New York at 8 something to go to Florida. And me now, if me did work my original time, when me for work, I would have catch a flight to get to go Twitch dance. But through the place never full up yet. I hear what me never know about the venue now. The gate them open from 7 o'clock. But nothing can start play till 8 o'clock. The computer now turn on the current for the stage and think till 8 o'clock. So when selector up there, music ready to play, it can't play until the computer put power up on the stage. So everything run off a strict timing. So the people who are beat Beenie Man are saying fight Shano, nobody not fight Shano. And Shano know that too. Why you think Shano not following up? Why you think Shano not following up? If Beenie if you get beaten, he would have get beaten. But we can't beat Beenie for that. You understand me I say? Shano would have to do it from early I probably work before Christopher Martin. I work after Christopher Martin. You understand me? That's why you see fanboy just run on, get him look at one song with Beanie. You have Silver Cat run on, do him thing with Beanie. Come on, bro, like, what I talk about? Arena no play. Arena come like a airport, them no run joke. Remember say, over the other show, the same thing with Sprague, but never Sprague fault make him late. You understand? Or the promoter them and them timing and them pick up time. And it cause problem, you have to cut pay people after the show. Because you can't go a minute over 11 o'clock. So, if you have the Jamaican mindset, you're gonna say being a pussy and them fuck up she you know and them blah blah blah. If you know how UBS Arena run, then you're not gonna do that. You're gonna know say boy time is of the essence. And Beenie Man, it was his return. Beenie Man had to give a full performance, which he did. People, me not gonna lie. I see Beenie Man perform more than 1,000 times already in my life. I don't know what happened for this show, but Rough Cut and Beenie Man, alright, and they come like how the label here, they on the back layer. Lucky in. No mistake. No half key, nothing. Like the bands and the artists was perfect. Me know the hear people are praise the performance and praise the bands. Perfect. Listen to me. El Perfecto. Big up Rough Cut. People in a trouble, you know. Alright, you know say we in a trouble? Here why I say we in a trouble. Which band is the next Rough Cut? We need a next Rough Cut, you know. Bands out there, but them alright. We need a next bands where high level, like Rough Cut, bro. Rough Cut no normal, bro. Them and Beenie Man give the people them a show. The performance was not normal. Every mix and point, every beat and point, Rough Cut, me no know. I have to say hats off to Rough Cut beat. Hats off to Rough Cut. Hats off. Rough Cut need to train and next Rough Cut. Them man ever work on Rough Cut band need to put a band together and train them like how them trick. Enough of them I get all, may I tell you. No disrespect, but some of them Rough Cut man them I get all. Some of them have knee problem, hand problem, but them brain I work, because they remember the music. But time I go up on the whole of it. We have to create the next generation. You see me? Red Rat me not talk about new band, and a new band me I talk about. Me about new band on the level here. Rough Cut no normal, bro. Me listen bands every day, dog. Test Ravi. Yeah, Rough Cut is the elite dancehall band. I swear. Alright, why you think so much people are praise Beenie now? Because of the bands we use. And the way him and the band lucky in. Come boss up, big up yourself. The way how Beenie and the band lucky into people, yeah? Like people say, bumbo clat, so bands did sweet. You understand what I say? So, me don't want to hear nobody that say, Beenie Man this shit, you know, and take you for fool and no help no youth. And if Beenie have something against Shane would not be on the show. Oh, to Robbie, you know, say nobody not there, so I compare the show to nobody else show. Please, make us stay up on a positive vibe. The show sell off. You seen the empty? You seen the empty? You did that there? You did that there? That is great for Beenie Man. We are going into arenas now and mini stadiums and those things. Great look for Beenie Man. Remember the whole on the say it go flop. When they say ticket now sell. Someone no cost me say from me up on the show. Nobody want to go. Remember? Yeah. So now me tell you call me Mr. UBS. J. Alexia. When you say it now go ram. When you say the show cancel. When you talk a bag of things for mash up the show. It never happen. And I can guarantee you this. The audience that has at the USB for Beenie Man, UBS for Beenie Man, is mostly big people. They look at Rugrat picking them never did it. So imagine if the Rugrat picking them didn't know say a subbands nice and come out. Cause them no come out, them a follow people and not come at the show. I pay big people. I pay big people. I had some mother and daughter me say, like the mother and listen Beenie Man tell him say, get a girl and be a wicked Islam. And look like the daughter they run out. She need a man with the wicked Islam. The two of them are Beenie fan. From me I drive up and me see the amount of people are walking and the amount of car and I parking lot. Me I say thugs him alone. It's a car man that's over there so I carry them the feed the show. And me I say, what? Are the show this? Then we good then. We good. And even when we go in, it was like it never full same time because enough of the people them think at 2 o'clock it are done. And when the people them realize that 2 o'clock it have done, people them start filing by the time me go up on stage. Remember me I work after Christopher Martin. And the place are full up while Christopher Martin in there. By Christopher Martin done and them the two little thing. And call up me, you know, say the whole place full. You know, see when me I go on out the lighter them turn on and the phone light them. Oh, and just to say, selectors me own on a size. I am the big man. I am running this thing now. You understand? So I look for UBS video and look good. And any selector go up on stage and you see the whole venue light up like that. Okay? So please, I'm here some man more time I talk about, oh, foot of them can't play a certain party because them could bust the place. A stadiums we do. I'm telling you a long time I do national stadium from World to Road Cup. Road to World Cup from them long time there. Yes, Red Rat Louis Culture mash up the place. But he have to come off before him done him song them because time it a go. You understand me I say? Yeah, sexy Tony, but them no. Them are going like so truly nowadays youth them not really know the history. Me as a man talk about, oh him can't play other something here, and him can't play the barbecue here, and him can't play one of that. Them would the bust the place. I'm like, are you dumb? Why you think them a try block me out of the big event them? When me play all artists, me flop, you have to be careful. Man a powerhouse boy yeah. And God create UBS Arena for sure no. So don't play Foota Hype. Him have real fans out here. I want to tell you the honest truth. All people when don't like me, respect me as a selector. They don't like me, you know. They hate Foota but when it comes to selecting, him are the boss. You understand? We can play at any event and bust it. Anywhere. Anywhere. So people overall, this Beenie Man show was a great show.
Yeah, family, so that a Foota Hype, you know, it might make you know exactly what transpired there at the Beenie Man show at the UBS Arena. Yeah, man, very successful show. That's why I big them up. Yeah, man, it's a very good look for dancehall as well, you know. Yeah, man, great look. So if you make it through to the entire vlog, people, that's why I big you up and tell you thanks. Yeah, man, stay tuned for more.